Well, what a difference a day makes. U.S. stocks posting their best day in 5 months yesterday. The Dow Industrials closing up over 500 points. There is hopes for a cut in interest rates this year, maybe two. Federal Reserve Chairman Jay Powell signaling rates could come down if trade concerns hit the economy.
We do not know how or when these issues will be resolved. We are closely monitoring the implications of these developments for the U.S. economic outlook, and, as always, we will act as appropriate to sustain the expansion with a strong labor market and inflation near our symmetric 2% objective.
And St. Louis Fed President James Bullard saying on Monday a rate cut may be warranted soon. Doug Flynn, certified financial planner and co-founder of Flynn Zito Capital Management, is here. And Doug, what do you think? Are we ready for a rate cut?
I don't think we need a rate cut to keep the U.S. economy going. I think, to me, if you think about it, Trump is getting exactly what he wanted, which is, last year we were raising rates, and he kept complaining about how he doesn't have the same luxury that Obama had, and so he talked about cutting, and here we're talking about cutting, and so he moved the needle there, and in reality, just not raising is really what is needed here. The economy is in a situation where that alone gives it a chance and people to plan around that. But, even with tariffs and all that's going on with China and Mexico, it's not enough to turn us into a recession or slow it down enough, really. And then they can hold that back in their arsenal to lower if they really, really need to. But I don't think it's necessary to keep us going here.
Interesting, because I think the economists at Barclays, Doug, disagree with you. They're saying that we're going to see a half-point rate cut in September, another quarter point in December. They're giving us the numbers. They're putting it out there.
Yeah, 65% chance of a cut in July, 98% chance by the end of the year that we're going to cut. That doesn't mean it can't happen, although even if I'm in the 2%, that's fine. I don't think we need it. Will it help? I think that, sure, Trump would love that, and it keeps the markets going. I mean, he's had 25 positive economic tweets in the last month alone, so he's all about pumping up the economy and doing things. So I think that bodes well for that. But so could it happen? Sure. I don't think it's necessary.